Where are we now?
We're at Cairngorms.
Take me away from home, away from
What are we doing here then?
There is a boat wreck.
I can see it through the trees.
Oh yeah. And we're going to get hopefully.
We're going to get a hopefully.
We're going to get a hopo.
I want a hopefully. We're going to get a photo.
Hopefully.
So, the theme of shipwrecks. Let's have a little look at Cairngorms locks. And over in the background over there is Big Ben. Big Ben Nevis.
You don't want to get too close to it. You want to be this side and then zoom in so you've got the...
Okay, so we'll go through here. There's in a rush because Ben Nevis is on fire. So all we need to do is follow where other people have trodden. Oh, there's a lot of rubbish here. For us, we couldn't ask for better conditions. The sun is bleeding through, a little bit of light from time to time. This old ship here, and Ben Nevis in the background there, the mighty Big Ben.
So this is the boat wreck down at Cairngorms, just outside Fort William. You can see the boat wreck there, and in the distance is Ben Nevis. So we're on our long lenses, both of us. Tony over there, on our long lenses, and that's going to compress the image, brings the boat slightly closer to the background. So Tony,
Yep.
what are you doing? How are you taking this image? Are you copying me?
No, I'm copying me. So what I'm doing is I'm putting the boat in the bottom third. So if you can imagine a rectangle, I'm putting the boat in this corner to you, and then Ben Nevis in the background with a bit of the old village of Cairngorms. I think Claire's doing this.
So what filters have you got on?
I've got a soft grad on the top,
A soft grad.
and all the graduated filter does, it's like having sunglasses that fade from dark to normal, and mine's a soft fade, so it's medium dark at the top, and then it gradually just goes into normal lens, see-through, transparent. So the sky, as you can see, the blues in the sky, it will pull the blues to make them more vibrant, and the clouds will be more darker.
So I'm on f10, 13th of a second. I've got a polarizer on, I've got a graduated filter on, much the same as Tony. And so I'm just taking a picture because there's some stunning light. Light that's just hit the boat here, as well as being on Ben Nevis in the background. Just take the image, and that's what we have. So I think we've got the shots that we're after, which is probably a good thing because the kids have come out to play, and as much as I like them, they're all over that darn boat. And can I blame them? No, not really, because if it was me and I was a teenager living around here, I'd have probably been up there with them. Never mind.
Well, that was a great evening in the end. It's a nice spot just to come down actually. The parking over by the harbour there. Didn't see no pay and display sign, and we certainly didn't pay anything, so...
We were in a bit of a rush.
Yeah. And you've got all the locks around here to go and have a little walk around. And then come down on the beach, you can actually get onto that boat like the kids if you're up for it. We don't see no need to do that. Leave it for the children. Leave it for the kids and the youngsters. But yeah. What a great afternoon. Quite late. We've been on the road for a few hours from leaving the little harbour, so we're now turning in for the night. Claire's already taken advantage, dived into bed, so now it's my turn. So we'll see you in the morn. Good morning from arguably our worst park up on this adventure so far, and it was still great. We still managed to get a good night's sleep. I'll put this location on the map. There's loads of park ups on this side of the loch opposite Fort William as we make our way around the west part of Scotland. Yeah, a great little park up. So we're making our way further south down here today, and into phase, what will be phase 3 of our of this adventure. We're just squaring up the van. We're all washed, dressed, teeth cleaned and ready. Now we have to do the same for Freddie. And Claire's in there packing up all the stuff.
Yep.
And all the camera stuff away.
Yep.
Fill the bottoms.
Yep.
That's the only thing about this particular location, is you can't get up obviously past the rocks and the mountains here, so the pullings are on the side of the road. But we came down this road between 9:30 and 10:30 until we finally parked up. Didn't see one car. So yeah, this particular side of the loch all goes to sleep rather early.
Good morning world, it's a brand new day.
Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes I can't breathe. try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
Yeah, my name. Those of you that know. Those of you that don't. Where are we going? Balamori. You got it, folks. And we're off to the Isle of Mull.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Sometimes
I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves
So we've taken the ferry from Cairngorms over to Mull. A grand total cost of £13, so a bargain there. And we thought we'd give Mull a try, somewhere we've not been before. So yeah, so it's the shortest distance ferry route across, which is really handy for this one.
Yeah.
This one gets seasick drinking a cup of water.
Get seasick in a swimming pool.
You do.
Yeah. Oh, that's our cue.
Cue to get in the car. Go, 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 go.
And we're on Mull.
We're on Mull.
Oh, where are we going?
A really sad day today, and one that's one was really hard to talk about, to be fair, and that is Baz of the Bin has lost his head. So we've got a little bit of a mission impossible, and that's try and find a replacement for Baz of the Bin on the remote island of Mull. Hard times and very sad times.
Baz of the Bin.
It's the end of Baz of the Bin.
He was great. We loved Baz.